the search for, gosh, I'm lame. The search for the best natural deodorant is over. I have tried all the deodorants. I'm telling you, like the ones with aluminum, without aluminum, from Walmart, Amazon, Lumi, like a bunch that I found on the internet. And this one is hands down the best deodorant, natural or not. It works better than any non-natural deodorant I've ever used. It is, Lush. Yes, I actually wasn't even searching for a new deodorant at this time. I was pretty happy with the current deodorant I had at the time, but I came across this Lush baking soda bar. It comes in this cute little metal pouch thing, and it's in this bar. Mine's kind of fallen apart a little bit. It's pretty much just baking soda and tapioca starch compressed together with lemon. It's like a lemon lime essential oil. I'm not too fond of lemon lime, but it helps make it work, and you don't really even smell it once it's on anyways. So yeah, this is amazing. Stain wise, I really don't notice a stain. I can't tell if it's from this deodorant or a previous deodorant I had, but on a few of my white shirts, I will see like a little bit of a yellow, which I'm assuming is from like the lemon essential oil, but it washes out, so it's fine. Smell, I went over smell. Texture, it is a bar, so sometimes it does feel a little bit rough putting it on, and it might get a little gross. So I just take like a butter knife and I scrape off the little bit of a hardened part, and then it doesn't hurt to put it on because then it's like a little bit softer because you're scraping the like hard stuff off. And it did come with like this this wax bottom, but I left it in the car and it just fell off. And it was fine after I left it in the car. The wax thing eventually falls off, I think, anyways. So I've used this for 3 months, so I know it's safe to say that it works amazing. If you are sensitive to baking soda, I would still try this because I thought I was sensitive to baking soda, but because like such little is going on, it's not as bad. The previous baking soda deodorants I've used had like a ton of baking soda because I was just using like a loose powder. So I would still give it a try. They have other ones at Lush that don't have baking soda. You could try that one. I haven't tried it, but what else do I want to go over? Okay, 2 times a day is the max you can use this. If you use it more than 2 times, for me at least, and which you shouldn't need to use it more than 2 times anyways, it does start to irritate. So I put it on, I usually take a shower in the morning, so then I put it on after the shower in the morning, and then like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I go to the gym, and then that's it. Like that's all I need. I'm not someone who doesn't need deodorant. Like I've always had issues finding a deodorant, and I found that deodorants with aluminum in it are actually way worse than natural deodorant in terms of like ingredients, obviously, but in terms of like making me smell, like the aluminum ones make you smell worse. And there are a bunch of studies, if you look online, that people compared to aluminum using deodorants and no deodorant at all, in most cases the non-deodorant people smell better than the aluminum using deodorants. So I hope you go and buy this Lush product, the baking soda bar, not because I'm affiliated with them, but because I want them to keep selling this forever. And I'm actually probably gonna try to imitate it. I make a bunch of beauty products, and this seems like a fairly simple thing to do. So check out my channel. If it's not there, I'm probably working on the video right now. So I post videos about DIY, natural living, inspiration. Check out my channel.